Tanawa guys, so look at this price. Diesel 109, special gasoline 115. Diesel 115, special gasoline 108, 93 and 87. This is the result guys of American, Israeli and Iran war. Ito na po ta guys sa pikas. Blue oil. Ang diesel is 96. Unleaded 80.50. Premium is 81. So this is the result of war guys. Before the war, the price of unleaded is only 50, 53, 54. But now, look at this. The result of Iran, US and Israeli war in the Middle East. This is very bad for economic development in the Philippines.